This is a financial tool. It's a financial instrument. Actually, I call it a financial Swiss Army knife because you can do anything with it. It's an incredibly powerful tool. But like all financial instruments, it works in phases: maximization, accumulation, distribution. The maximization phase, that's when we're trying to get the amount of money you're putting into this program, which is ultimately going to become a retirement program for you. We're trying to get that to the highest and best number as quickly as possible. That means we're going to eliminate your debt, whatever the debt is, as quickly as possible. And rest assured, I've done the math and it is a bear. If you've got just 5 debts, there's 25 different orders that you could make to pay those 5 debts off. 25 different, I'm going to pay debt 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Or I'm going to pay debt 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 1. There's 25 different combinations, and it takes a long time to do that math. Luckily, here at Symmetry, we've invested in and developed some software that allows us to determine that quickly. And this is something that having done just one of those potential combinations on a 6 debt, took me 6 hours to do the math with a spreadsheet. So I don't advise doing it. Anyway, the goal here is maximization. We want to get you to the point where you're saving the most amount of money and taking advantage of that thing I talked about just a minute ago called a debt snowball. Second, once we beat your debt, once we get rid of it, and you've got the maximum amount of money that you've got funding into your program, then you have changed phases. You are now in the accumulation phase of the program. And the goal here is going to be to continue growing the wealth as fast as you can until you decide that you're done. And then when you're done, you've entered the distribution phase. And that's when it is appropriate to take that emergency trip to Tahiti or to buy your wife a pair of sapphire gold earrings just because you want to, right?